Hello everyone, I'm a member of Team 123 and I'm here to present the project Machine Learning for Rating and Default Prediction that we made with the Crédit Mutuel. The main goal of this project is to use machine learning to predict credit risk by forecasting the rating changes or the probability of default for companies. To classify risk, we started with the Altman Z-score model, which divides company into three zones: the safe zone, the gray zone, and the red zone. And you have the equation of the model at your right. Our specific goal was to classify how credit rating will change in the future. For example, will they remain stable, improve, or get worse? So to do that, we use the Altman Z-score that I showed you before. One big challenge we faced was class imbalance. Most of the data belonged to the stable category, which made training difficult. To solve this, we used two main strategies: class weighting and oversampling. To evaluate our model, we prioritize the F1 score and the recall, as these metrics are essential in this context. So missing a downgrade, so false negative, can lead to investing in company assumed to be stable, but whose rating eventually decline, resulting in significant financial consequences. And the XGBoost stood out with the high recall and best F1 score for negative class, providing the optimal balances. So it's the model we choose for the model we used for this app. So in this app, you can first of all select a company that you want to evaluate. Then you can select a date when you want to evaluate the company. Then you can click on the predict button and you have advice on if you should or not invest on this company. Thank you for your listening and your time.